You are going to love the 2017 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, power moonroof, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.